That's Travis Bickner.
Oh, big lag.
I was wondering why it was so quiet in here.
Welcome to the stop motion truck series.
Yeah.
Just
Sideways.
Oh,
Sideways. I literally cannot see.
You didn't see that one frame out of turn 2?
What the hell is that?
Mine won't have
Popping
sound.
in and out.
James, yours is also just black.
Ah, what the fuck? Fuck you, Spectre.
Oh man.
What the hell is that?
Oh, he's still
oil? Oh no.
Oh, that's the
a
sign.
Uh-oh, he broke down. They're running.
Oh shit! Get the
He
tire!
has to push.
Wrong.
Oh my god.
Oh, that ain't working.
No,
That ain't
no,
working.
no, no.
How'd they
Holy
make it work?
shit.
Wow,
How?
the
Yeah,
fuck did
so
they make that
bullshit.
work? Respect to Chandler Smith, so now my drivers are going to be
Freaking
running
Parker,
1, 2.
man.
Parker. Let's
Look
go.
at this shit. In the backyard
Look at
special, he's gonna
that.
take them both right
Holy
here.
fuck.
He's gonna take them both right here.
Backyard special!
The backyard special, dude. I'm telling you.
That thing was built on
That thing
cinder
is-
blocks, dude.
Yeah, that thing's cheated up. They've done something to it.
Yeah, they don't even got jack stands.
They're
Going
going
to the R&D center right now. They're gonna tell him to pull in right now if he passes John Hunter. I guess.
Damn, fucking Grain and Finger might go up here and finger fuck everybody. Oh shit.
Dude, the
Oh,
sand.
the
Big
Louisiana
dive bomb.
dive bomb!
Oh, yeah,
he's gonna
clear
clear
it.
it.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Oh, he got him.
The backyard special completes the Louisiana
Hell yeah.
dive bomb.
Dude, Parker might win stage 1. This is.
That was a Louisiana dive bomb.
Hell
if I ever
yeah.
seen one. Got it, but it was probably really bright.
Oh
Slaughter.
my
They're
God.
about to.
Oh!
Tanner Gray did
I'm
not.
gonna
Restart
give it a
real
hip
good, no
check.
issues.
Have a
I
little
know,
hip
I know
check.
his fire suit ain't gray. It's probably brown now.
Yeah.
Now, which track
That'll cost him a fucking truck there.
has the best racing for all 3 series?
Have you ever?
Yes, I've ever.
Oh,
Stewie, what the
Jesus.
fuck are you doing?
Tyler.
Tanner Gray's getting beat up.
Slide job. Yeah.
Oh, no,
No, not the onion!
Save it.
Oh, no, don't hit him. Don't hit him.
Hey.
Easy there, Archibald.
Throw him into the car that's wrecking.
I thought that was God. I was about to hit his ass.
Dive bomb.
Oh, yellow.
Oh, no!
Oh, Archibald.
Oh,
Any Archibald?
Whoa!
Oh my god. Oh.
Dig it.
Oh my god.
Caution's out.
Stop Tanner Gray abuse, god damn it!
It's the other turn. Oh no.
Well, it was right there. Jesus, what?
What is this bozo doing?
Look at the onion! How
Go
the hell-
Chase. Go Purdy.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
Oh.
well, that's why.
Didn't know where to go.
And
Let's
look
see
at
why he's out
Deegan.
of breath.
Look at
Hey,
Deegan.
look at these Archer brake.
Oh.
Yeah, what a
What a
And-
bozo.
Oh.
women cannot drive.
You have no room to talk.
Yes, I
Deegan
do.
is such a bozo.
Shout out to Topo Dine,
Lord.
just minding his own business.
On the backstretch, by the way, on the straightaway. That one was funny. That's the only reason why it's
Oh!
not.
Oh!
No!
Oh! They saved it!
Fuck!
They saved it! We're good!
Keep your foot into Parker.
John Hunter any more than he did for ripping his nose
Look
off.
at how loose that bitch was.
God
Oh,
damn.
damn! They were all
Look at
over
Ross
the
in the
place behind.
back.
All
Somebody
of them
send that
behind.
Somebody
Send that
really
to
got
Tyler
relaxed.
Hallman. Tyler Hallman.
Oh!
Oh.
Crash! Oh!
Look at
Oh,
this bozo.
damn.
It's big damage.
What is
to
that
the
on his trunk? Alright, let's see.
Hell no, none.
Right there.
There's terrible
Right
replay.
there.
Oh! What the hell?
It is his sticker.
Oh, and there was fire.
Oh, that thing was on fire, yeah.
Show that car over there.
Oh.
Show the car on fire.
Alrighty, it's gonna be a green and white checker to sell out here at Darlington. This may be the last race ever that we go to Darlington. Can John Hunter win? Can Hover Car win? Will Chastain say, fuck you, Hover Car, I ain't letting you back in, and then just wreck the Ford truck? Or will Matt win?
Hey, you got a good restart. Carson did.
Oh,
Okay.
Damn good
no,
restart.
they're doing it again! They're gonna wreck it!
I'll let you back up. This bozo.
Oh, no, he had it and he lost it. Alright, throw the call.
You know-
Rush Chastain.
You know Infinger ain't gonna help.
Man, he screwed over Klugerman
Damn, ripped to Parker. Fuck.
back in like 8th.
Hey, if Carson can just hang there, he can take a shot in 3.
He ain't got enough.
Trap,
Oh,
trap,
never
trap,
say
trap,
never. It
trap,
could
trap,
be an opportunity.
trap, trap, trap. Stop,
Fly
stop, stop.
flag.
Dive bomb. Right? Yep.
No.
I did slam the gas. Put it down below the
Hey.
apron.
Took him to
Apron,
gap release right there.
Why are you running so
God damn it.
low?
Dive bomb turn, don't lift.
Louisiana dive bomb.
Oh, he's doing it.
Louisiana dive bomb. God damn it. That was short lived. Oh no. God damn it.
Look
The
at
winds are
Carson.
gonna come for him.
Did you see Carson wiggle? He was mad.
Anyways,
There's a
the guy I
disc
share my
on it.
name with won the race.